Getting started cleaning out the garden bed here, pulling out all the weeds. Gonna plant some eggplant here, my tomatoes here, and put some basil in here around the eggplant and the tomatoes. And basil helps with asparagus too. Over here, gonna get my pepper beds together. I already sowed some pepper seeds in here. Gotta see if those peppers coming up or is that weeds I'm gonna have to pull again. And I'm gonna get it together. Cleaned out over here where I still have some collard greens. I'm gonna add my okra back over in this corner again and put some more of my zinnia flowers up in the front. And add some more of my marigolds. Get it together before it rains today. It's going to come back, start raining on this beautiful day. Added some compost and some fertilizer into this soil. Got this bed ready for my hot peppers. Put my jalapeno peppers and my cayenne peppers over here. And some more of my bell peppers and the sweet peppers over here. Okay, let me sow some seeds over here. Have some beefsteak tomatoes, some early girl tomatoes, and some large red cherry tomatoes. Eggplant gonna go right here. I'm gonna sow a whole lot of marigolds around, basil in here. My asparagus still growing over here, some more marigolds. Put my cayenne peppers over here. Gotta find my jalapeno peppers. I know I saved some from last season. Like I said, I'm gonna put my bell peppers over here. Some more marigolds over here. I already sowed some zinnias over here too. Let me get my okra sowed over here. Get busy here. Let me get busy sowing these seeds and watch them grow. Okay, I'm getting ready to sow some more kale over here so it can grow with the rest of this beautiful kale. And I'm gonna put some spinach over in this corner here. So come on. This looks like some more collard greens growing here. We got collard greens everywhere. Look at those beautiful collard greens right there. Okay, let me sow these seeds. Take a quick look around the garden. Got some cabbage growing there. Look at my garlic coming up. Okay, garlic. Y'all doing better than the onions. The onions just don't want to come up. Look at my broccoli. Broccoli has bolted and gone to seed. Look like I'm gonna have a lot of broccoli seeds I can collect. I'm gonna add some more into this bed. Look over here. Okay, pineapple. Come on. Come on, pineapple. Plant some more of my Jamaican sorrel in here. Gotta really clean out this bed over here. My lettuce bolted and gone to seed. I'm gonna put my cucumbers over here along with my green beans. Over here, it's a lot of bolting of the seeds going on. Lettuce bolted and gone to seed over here. This is some of my romaine lettuce. This is where I sowed my onion seeds, and they have not germinated. Nothing is coming up in here but a bunch of weeds. I have a bunch of cabbage still over there. I have some carrots growing. There's some more cabbage over there. And lettuce bed coming back up over there with some carrots coming up in it. Got a lot of cleaning up out the beds I gotta do. Have another pineapple over here. Some more Jamaican sorrel gonna go right there. Finally have some potato leaves coming up. Come on, potatoes. And I don't know what's going on here with my sweet potatoes. They died back during the winter. I may not have any sweet potatoes in here. But I'm gonna clean this bed out And maybe put something else over here. I don't know what yet. Pineapples again. Okay, lemon tree. All of these blooms. Come on, come on. Grow me a lot of lemons. Please grow me a lot of lemons. Look at that. All of those blooms going way over there. Look at my pomegranate. Okay, little flower has come out. I see some more little pomegranates popping up there. Okay, pomegranate. Come on, pomegranate. Give me some more pomegranates this year. Apple tree, I see your leaves, but nothing else is happening with you yet. Collard greens over here. Come on, collard green. A few mustards that's still hanging on in here. My collard greens has bolted and gone to seed here. Look at my avocado tree. Look at those avocados coming up, blooming on you. Look, look. Okay, avocados. Come on. Grow for us. Continue to grow for us. Yes. What is it? My Lila avocado. Okay. Come on, grow. That's a lot of avocados so we can make some guacamole. It's not big, but it's a sweet potato. I didn't think any of them were gonna grow. I didn't think too many were growing in here at all, because I didn't see any leaves coming up, just a few. They had died out during the winter time. But look at this. I was digging around in there and found one. And it got stems growing off of it. Okay. I think I may put it back in the soil and let it see if it's gonna get a little bit bigger. And go in here and harvest. My sweet potatoes later. Okay, that little stem part, let me let that stick up out the ground. Because normally I have leaves growing on here, but during the hard winter time that we had, I think they just killed them all off. So I don't know what's underneath the soil. But that was a pretty nice little size there. Okay. I was getting ready to sow some green beans over in here to try to give them some nitrogen to help them grow a little bit bigger. I'm not going to dig them any more up. I'm going to let them wait till close to the summer time. See if I can harvest and see if I have a large amount of sweet potatoes in here. I'm gonna go over here and add some of my green beans in here. Little bush green beans. Just gonna add a row of them.